Hello friends, today our topic is terminology of hockey. Terminology, the body of terms used with a particular technical application in a subject of study is called terminology. Of a relationship between a part and a whole is called of. Hockey, outdoor game played by two opposing teams of 11 players each, who use sticks curved at the striking end to hit a small hard balls into their opponent goal, is called hockey. Few terminologies of hockey are as listed below. Few means small number. Terminologies means the body of terms used with a particular technical application in a subject of study is called terminologies. Of a relationship between a part and a whole is called of. Hockey. Hockey is an outdoor game played by two opposing teams of 11 players each, who use sticks curved at the striking end to hit a small hard balls into their opponent goal, is called hockey. Listed below. Listed means marked. Below as under. Free hit means a free hit is taken close to where the offense occurred. Close to means within playing distance of where the offense occurred and with no significant advantage gained. This type of hit is given to opponent team, means this kind of strike is given to rival group of players forming one side in a competitive game. When some foul has been committed outside their own shooting circle, means at what time sinful mistake done by the external side of their a wide arc extending from the goal line in front to each goal. Free hit is performed by the player without interruption before 5 yards, means the location from which a free hit is taken must be without and any interference before 5 yards. Obstructions. This is awarded against a hockey player who uses their body stick to prevent an opponent from reaching the ball is called obstructions. Obstructions means intentionally stop the opponent player against the rules and regulations of hockey. The action of obstructing or the state of obstacle or prevent the opponent player without following the rules and regulation of hockey game. Backstick means an illegal shot in which the ball strikes the rounded face of the hockey stick. The goalkeeper also cannot play the ball with the back of their stick. Player uses back side of the hockey stick while dribbling. It is also against the rules and regulations, means this foul is awarded against a player who strikes the ball with the rounded back of the hockey stick, and this type of offense is against the rules and regulations of hockey game. Carry means you push the ball with your stick when you move it along the ground with pushing motion and it touches opponent players with the leg or feet. It carried ball touches the leg or feet of the player, means when the hockey ball intentionally or knowingly hit the leg or feet of the players, it is against the rules and regulations of hockey. Sideline hit. The hockey play field is a rectangular in shape. The edges are called the sideline. When ball goes out from that line is called sideline cut. When ball goes out from sideline, then opposite team gets sideline hit from the point where it has gone outside. Means at that time of sideline cut, opponent team get sideline hit. In that place, hit is given from their ball has gone outside. Dribbling. Players can run with the ball called dribbling by controlling it with their stick. They can pass the ball to a teammate. Dribbling helps in tackling the ball with the hockey sticks. Dribbling helps the player to score a goal by hitting it with their stick. Corner. In field of hockey, a penalty corner, sometimes known as a short corner, is a penalty given against the defending team. When ball goes outside from one end line intentionally by the defending players, then long corner pass is permitted to attacking team. In that case, means corner that is happen at that time, the defending players knowingly send ball defensive players. At that time, long corner pass is awarded. If the ball is unintentionally hit across the end line by a defender or a goalie to set up a long corner, the ball is placed on the same side of the field as where it went out of bounds. Bully. Used to restart play when possession is unclear, when play was stopped, for example injury, timeout. Two opposing players start with their sticks on the ground. The ball is placed between them and they must tap sticks above the ball before they can play the ball. Bully means to start or restart the game after interruptions. Means when game is interrupted or interval is taken and this procedure is followed. This term or method is not used now. Means what at the present time this procedure is not followed in hockey game. Long corner. Long corner means a long corner is awarded if the ball is unintentionally hit across the end line by a defender or goalie. A long corner is awarded. Long corner is given to attacking team after the ball goes over the end line from the hockey stick of the defender. Means the ball when goes out from the end line, the long corner is awarded to the defender teams. The ball is placed 5 yards away from the sideline over the end line. When the long corner is taken, the ball is placed on 5 yards away from the sideline and over the end line. Shin guard. Shin guard, a shin guard or a shin pad is a piece of equipment worn on the front of an athlete shin to protect it from injuries. These are commonly used in sports like baseball, field hockey, ice hockey, and cricket, etc. Shin guard is protective equipment used by a player to protect the shin bone and ankle. Shin guard is preventing the goalkeeper from the large bone at the front of the leg between the knee and the ankle. Field goal. A field goal is a goal scored from open play and can only be scored from inside the striking circle in the front of the opponent goal. When goal is scored by dribbling or passing within the shooting circle in a strategically move by the attacking players, means the hockey player gain a point by dribbling or passing within the shooting circle, means a wide arc extending from the goal line in front of each goal to achieve the advantage by the attacking players. Caution. It means differs among the sports, however, it most commonly indicates a caution given to a player regarding his or her conduct or indicates a temporary suspension. Caution means orally warning given to the player for playing fair game, means the referee or umpire asks the player to care taken to avoid danger or mistakes during the game. Warning means a green card indicates an official warning when a minor offense has occurred. A second green card for the same player will result in a yellow card 5-minute suspension. When player has committed foul unintentionally, then a player is warned through green card by the umpire. In hockey, the player make crime unknowingly, then player alert or inform through green card shown by umpires or referee. Misconduct means a game misconduct penalty involves the suspension of a player for the balance of the game. What a substitute is permitted to replace immediately the player so removed. Dangerous play, any delay which amounts to time based, intentionally offensive, or any bad behavior by player is called misconduct, means when the ball or stick rises above the shoulder level and when hit. Delay of game is an action in a sports game in which a player or team deliberately stalls the game. Deliberate breach of law or a rule damages the cohesion of the team and adverse impact on one or more individual within a team is called misconduct. Suspension. The referee can send a player off the field for 5 minutes. Playing time for certain offensive also refers a ban received by a player for subsequent matches following the award of a red card against him. Suspension means if a player commits serious foul intentionally or unintentionally, means the player who carry out significant offensive to the senses knowingly or unknowingly. Player cannot continue playing match, means the player is drive out the match. Moreover, team will play without suspended players. Beside this, completing a unit player play the match without the suspended players. Thanks and have a nice day.